Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change your profile picture on your Instagram flip side profile. Okay, here I have opened my Instagram application on my phone, and first of all we can go to our profile. We can tap on this profile button, and then you're going to open your flip side profile on your Instagram. You can click on this key button to open your flip side profile. And if you want to change your profile picture of your flip side profile, you just need to click on this profile picture button right here. Then here you can choose use main profile picture or choose a new picture. And I'm just going to choose new picture from my device. Wait guys, for example, I'm going to select this one. We can just tap on the picture we would like to set as our profile. Then we can click on next right here. Okay, then you can add folder to your profile picture, and I'm just going to select this one. Then we can click on next again. Okay, and you just need to wait for a moment. Okay, and now as you can see that my profile picture has been changed, and that's how we can change profile picture on Instagram flip side profile. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.